Hi everybody, my name is Gavin S. Redman, and to begin with I hope that you and your families are safe. But I'm also here to ask you a question as a small business owner. So, has your business been turned upside down the last 5 months? And perhaps in 2008 you went through that as well and it set you back a few years financially. And now we're facing another shitstorm, excuse my French, and maybe you know you've got the next 12 to 24 months are going to be crucial. Is that the case? Are you asking yourself, is there anything this time that I can do to take back that control and get back on track? And I'm here to tell you that there is. And why would I know that? Who am I? I'm just a dude on the internet, right? Well, back in 1998, I'd got into IT. My father's business got hit by the recession, and my mother had to do the accounts so we could get by. Now, she's a registered nurse, so she certainly wasn't an accountant, so she was definitely not the right person really to do that. But I realised when we automated the accounts processing that workload went from 2 weeks a month with my mother crying all the time to 5 minutes and her smiling. And I realised in that moment it's the right strategies and tactics at the right time that make a successful business, not just the great people that run them. That's just not enough. So I spent the next 32 years and I went out and learnt those rules, what bigger businesses that are more successful follow and what strategies and tactics they apply on a day-to-day basis and when they actually do that. And to my surprise, it wasn't the tech. It wasn't knowing Facebook, Google or YouTube. Yeah, they'll make stuff faster, no question about it. But actually it's quite simple and it's quite human. They're really fast to implement. They don't require you to be a rocket scientist. And I guarantee you, once you've learned them, you'll see them reflected in every successful business you come in contact with. Sorry about spitting. Now you're probably thinking, what's this snake oil this guy's selling? Well, it's not common knowledge. I'm sure you've heard common sense is not common knowledge. And as small business owners, we're usually so busy we think we're not a big business, that won't work for us. We don't have the time. We think it's too hard or it's going to cost us a boatload of cash. And it's impossible to do. And as a small business owner today with 2 or 3 employees. But what I found out was that the strategies are really effective, and it's not that we don't use them, it's how and when we implement those tactics consistently that counts. And the successful companies grow doing that and have been growing for decades. So my question to you is, would you like to know them? It's possible, it's within your reach. They're low cost, they're simple, they're applicable to your business, and more importantly, they're practical. Because quite frankly, I'm from Yorkshire, I don't like fluff, and it'll help you grow your business. I help those big companies earn millions. Did I do it alone? No, I didn't. But does it take 10, 20, 30 people to start? No, it doesn't. It just takes the willingness to actually apply some pretty simple proven tactics. And it'll take you a few hours, that's it. So, question to yourself, would you like to go from feeling worried, not knowing where your next customer is coming from or when they're going to be turning up, to feeling confident in the knowledge you have a list of customers that you choose from each day or week or month that are willing and able to put their trust in you and pay you? Are you open-minded enough to find out how that works? If that's something you're interested in, please click on the link below and I'll see you inside. What's it going to cost you? 5 minutes? A few minutes? Take a read. Of course, you can carry on with your day, and I wish you all the best, I really do. Good luck. Personally, I'm hoping, like me, you prefer to forge your own luck. So, I'm hoping you click on the link below. See you there. Bye-bye.